Hey Rakesh, I want to construct the house, but I'm a bit confused to which architect to contact.
Arey, which world are you into?
Means?
Manoj, it's very simple to contact an architect in Kalpavriksha business application.
Is it? What is Kalpavriksha business application?
Kalpavriksha is a very simple mobile application which helps you to find the right professionals or business for your requirements in less than a minute.
Wow, sounds interesting. But how does it work?
Open Kalpavriksha app in your mobile and click on the inquiry icon. Go on professional and services. Write what professionals and services you are looking for, like an architect. Then select any of these below listing services like appointment. Give a little bit brief about your requirements. Then click on the search button. It will take you on the list of architects. You can select whichever architect you want to, or you can select all of them. Then click on the submit button. You can also send the pictures of your site or land and click on the submit button. In less than 60 seconds, your desire to construct the new house has reached to all the architects.
I don't believe this. Arey, this is magic. In seconds, I got connected to so many high-profile architects.
Yes, you can order anything on the Kalpavriksha and connect to any part of India in seconds. It's one of its kind business application with more than 1 lakh product and services.
That's amazing.
This is the magic of Kalpavriksha. Within seconds, you can connect to anybody. Now make this magic reach to all your contacts and also let everyone take benefit of the fastest growing business app, Kalpavriksha. Don't forget to recommend all your contacts.
I already got a reply and an appointment for tomorrow at 10 a.m.
Business made easy. Download Kalpavriksha business application now.